Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Right now we are editing some of our latest cooking videos, and I just realized that for one we didn't shoot an intro or an outro, so we're making one right now. On our last trip we made these delicious, super cute jack-o'-lantern quesadillas. Let me show you how we made them. First, we turned on the skillet to about a medium-high and cooked some tortillas. These are so satisfying to watch cook. Then I just took this pumpkin-shaped cookie cutter and cut a hole out of the center of 2 of the 4 tortillas. Then I put 1 solid tortilla in a pan, covered it with some cheddar cheese, and chunks of pre-cooked chicken. Then I topped it with one of the tortillas that had the pumpkin cut out of the center. Cooked it on each side for a few minutes until the cheese was totally melted and the chicken was heated. I then repeated these steps again for the second quesadilla. These turned out so cute, super tasty, and super easy. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified the next time me and Zena upload our newest fall Halloween-inspired video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do, and have a great one.